Hey everyone, welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. I'm Marsha and today we have a new budget smartphone which is the Realme 6. Now this is part of Realme's new smartphone series which also includes the Realme 6 Pro. So let's go ahead, unbox the phone and see what's inside. So let's check out the Realme 6 smartphone as we unbox it. Okay, so first things first, you'll find the SIM ejector pin here, and inside you have the manual and a transparent rubber case for the Realme 6. As you can see here, this is the white color variant that we have. Let's see what else is inside. This is the charging adapter for the Realme 6. And here's the charging cable for the Realme 6, and as you can see here, it's a Type-C cable. So this was the Realme 6. To recap, it comes with the MediaTek Helio G90T processor. It has a 64 megapixel quad camera and a 4300 mAh battery. We'll be back with more such videos, so stay tuned.